Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to crop an image to a shape in Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, open a new project in Canva. On the left side, select Elements, then click on Frames. Under the Frames section, click See All to view all available shapes. For example, if you want to crop your image into a circle, click on the circle and drag it to your project. Next, go to the Uploads tab on the left. Upload the image you want to fit into the frame, or choose an existing one. Drag the image into the circle frame, and Canva will automatically crop the image to the shape. If the cropping isn't perfect, double-click the frame to enter the cropping mode. From here, you can adjust the image by moving it around or rotating it to get the desired look. You can also click the Smart Crop button to automatically adjust the cropping for the best fit. If you want to change the shape, simply delete the frame and return to the Elements tab. This time, choose a different shape, like a star. Drag the new frame into your project, and again, upload and drag your image into it. You can always adjust the cropping by double-clicking the frame. So that's basically how you can crop an image to a shape in Canva. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.